So, I found a really good spot. Come on, buddy, catch up! Catch up to me! Let's go! You know, to do my leaning. And no, I'm not wearing any gear because gear are for pussies and pussies aren't for me. Pause. Holy shit. That's not no. Fuck this shit. That was nice.
Yeah, you almost touched the white line.
I almost did. There you go. Really, buddy. Be free. I'm finally home. Good job, girl. And now I'm going to sleep. So bye.